Hello and welcome. So now we are covering this template section. I hope you understand how you will customize your header part. So now we are going to the header part slideshow like this. So I will keep this or delete this section. If we need add section, we can keep this any new section here. So we are already click the create the image banner section, so you can update your content all of things. So let's do the image banner. So I will keep a banner, you can choose your own and click the mobile only. So when I click this, you see this is gone. When I go to the mobile version, image are coming. Okay, I hope you understand like this process. So I need keep this all devices. So and second image, we don't need this image height, we can keep this adapt for first image. Okay, perfect. And now we can choose the link for image also. Okay, you can set it link also for image. So container on desktop, so we don't need this. So background color is gone, just text have. Okay, so if I still keep this background, we can change color schema. Background 1 I need, background 2. Okay, accent 2, accent 1 like this. So it's up to you, you can choose your color format. Okay, I will keep this background 1. Okay, like this I think it's perfect. And mobile layout, we can arrange this here. So image banner are done. So now left have the comparison table, so which is we don't need. If you need this, you can keep this. So I will delete this all listed. So we are creating scratch. Okay, so save it. Next section we are at add section, and we see feature product. We already have 20 section. If we are scroll little, you see second bar also, you just click here show more, you can see all our important section is here. Okay, show more. Okay, this is so now it is completely 44 section. So first let's check feature collection. So if we need feature collection or product, so we are going to the feature collection. So it is default, so we don't create the feature collection so that's why it is like this. So we will keep this section like this. Then we are click another section, add section. We need suppose rich text, we just click here for the rich text. We can change the rich text here, click the min section, we can change the font style right or center, we can keep the right, change the color like this. So I will create custom or click the background, I will keep this, or background 1 I will keep this. Okay, background 1 like this, or inverse you can switch it like this. So I will keep this rich text like this. Okay, and scroll below, we can click the top padding, bottom padding also. So I recommend you just keep this top and bottom exact padding. Custom color code, we can choose custom color code also. I show you how you can choose custom, then you can choose the custom code also. Image background, you can choose the for the background image, you can select here for your image. So let's get here, let's change it color. I think it needs to be changes accent to. Okay, I need like this. Okay, and we can change the text here. This is subtext. If we don't need, you just click the height. Okay, let's go to the button level is shop now, and link if the all collection. Okay, so button are highlight now, you can choose the outline button color also. Okay, perfect, this section is done. So we need now another a section, just click here add section, and we need again our feature collection like this. Okay, I will show you next video how to create a product and set up here, also create a collection. So I will just keep this section and click the add section. We just now we can choose image with text. Okay, like this section. So when I click the main section image with text, we can change it. It is position. So let's check display on mobile or desktop. I will keep this all device. We can change the image media. So let's check it. So let's select this. Okay, for this image, and you can choose also a video media height also you can choose. So if you click the small, it is small, so adapt to media I prefer. You can change the background color also. You can just simply click here, you can see it is changed. So I will keep this background one, which is looking good. Section color, okay, it's this is section for all section color, it will change. So you can change this like this. I hope you understand how change the color schema. Desktop layout, I need full page width, or you can keep the default, no problem. Desktop media placement, okay, so media first, this is media, so media I want it, this is second, so I will keep this second, perfect. And desktop content position, middle, bottom, so I need middle, which is middle. Desktop content alignment, which is center, I need it center. Okay, so I think like this is good. So okay, perfect. And mobile layout, you can check it here, your mobile layout also. So that's it, you can change the padding bottom for mobile, for desktop. So I think you can do it on your. So let's go to the back, and we need button also highlight. So button, we just need contact us, click the here, choose the pages, click the contact. Okay, so we can save it. Okay, now this section is perfect. If we need another section, add section, so we can choose a slideshow, college, multi-column. So let's click slideshow or college or multi-column. So I prefer multi-column. You can set up here, you see 3 multi-column is here. So you can change the title here, general, you see heading multi-column, or you can choose this multi-column column. This is main section. So if you want, you can change your content or remove this. I will remove this, and we need to change the color scheme also. Background, I will keep this background too like this. Okay, so inverse, let's check customs. So I think background 2 is good. No, background 1 is perfect. Okay, I will keep this background 1. Accent 2. Okay, I will keep this background 1. Perfect. Now you want change your column this. So click this here. You can choose a image. So let's check this image like this. So this image is big. You can use for custom icon or mini size images, and if you need change the content, you can change it here. You see this is change. You can place your content here, and you can choose a button. So let's check. You see there have a button. and click the link collection. You can choose any kind of link. So I hope you understand how you can set up your own. So I don't need this and don't need the button level. Okay, I will keep this, save it, and that's it. I hope you can now customization your basic fundamental. Next video I will show you how you set up your pages and product and create collection for your store, and then again we are came from advanced process customization. Okay.